Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX. And today, we'll be reviewing this very beautiful ZhangYing SIG 563. This is a very beautiful unit. This is, again, from Hydro Blasters MNL. And this is their premium version. There are two versions of this one. This one is the premium version with a metal handguard and two magazines and the standard Stanag mag and the SIG 556 mag, which looks really unique. Magazine prime. This unit is nylon and metal construction, but it is very light. It's, I think, at least somewhat a kilo. But, very light. Trades. Oh, wait, before the trades. Metal gearbox always. I mean, metal tube. Nice. This unit has lots of trades, a lot. This is SIG. This is laser engraved. Also here, SIG SIG precision. You can see more on the shorts. Also on the barrel, see, there's trades. On this side, made in Switzerland. Trades. A lot. Even the magazine has engraving. Very nice. This one has an EPU. See? Really nice. It has also a working magazine release, ambidextrous magazine bolt release. It's here and another one here. Although it doesn't look that good because see, flimsy. Same here. So, but it works. Also, the magazine release is also ambidextrous, so I like that one. Although, if you fold this one, especially if it's retracted, retract. Disadvantage for the lefties. Although you can push the buttstock forward, then it's fine. BB capacity, as this one, this is more, as you can see, longer? No, actually it's shorter. So this one is less capacity in the usual Stanag mag that has lots of trades. Nice. 5.56 times 45, both 25 capacity when it comes to the trades. And this unit has, as you can see, two types of magazine. You need to change the mag well. So if you choose the SIG mags, it looks very different. But you can also have the Stanag mags, but it will not fit. You need to use this included mag well that slides. It took me a while to understand how to use this one. It's really funny. Here, and push the pin although it's a little bit flimsy. Now you can use Stanag mags, which is very nice. Oh, even the ZhangYing ones are compatible. That enables this unit to be not very compatible. Compatible with lots of mags, so that's nice. Hot mag. Nope, no, it's tight. Nope, I will not try it. I might break something. So, I broke something. What I was saying? So, not compatible with the Pat mags. Battery space, it's one of the also cons. Actually, it took me a while to find the battery. I thought it was here, like the UDL, but it has no battery connector here. So it was the handguard. I thought the handguard can be removed. No, it was really, really solid. And I thought it was, I know it's here because I can see the wire going up here, but I do not know how to remove this one. Then I just tried to pull it out, and it's there. So the battery connector is here. Cons, because although this fits, but you won't be able to use the what do you call it one? The cover. So it will be dangling like this. At least it fits. Not unlike other models, it really it doesn't even fit. So you're forced to use different external battery connect holders. It looks stupid if you do like that. This unit doesn't have a built-in hop-up. It has a metal outer barrel, metal inner barrel, metal birdcage flash hider. That's nice. And it why it's not China? And what is the length of this one? 250 millimeters. It's fairly long. So it has good range. It can easily hit my 250 mark. You can see more on the shorts. This is 200 FPS plus. Although my very irregular size gels might have caused the FPS fluctuations, based on the test of hydroblasters, around 240 FPS. So maybe my gels are not so good. Price, since this is the premium version, this is 9,000 pesos. It's a little bit pricey, but 2 mags. Changeable mag well. It's hard to change though. So if you're a SIG fan like me, it's a good way to add to your collection. Unfortunately, I am poor because of another SIG, so it's unlikely for me to add this to my collections yet. Eventually, we'll see. Finish printing. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. It's very hard to close this one. Put this inside. Then this one. Then line, then push. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. So muli, paalam! And lastly, it's a very nice box. Shiny.